rolls are popular Asian foods with variety of fillings. Yes, of course, we love it in Japan too. Next time you are craving for spring rolls, just watch this video and try to make it at home before you try to order. It's easier to make more than you think. Especially this filling is made by just mixing mashed kabocha and cream cheese together without any seasonings. It may be a good idea to make spring rolls a lot at once and keep some in a freezer before they are cooked so that it's much easier next time you eat. Enjoy the creamy sweet filling with crunchy spring roll wrappers. Ingredients are just 5 items. I put the ingredients and the recipe in the end of this movie for your later use. And don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Alright, let's get started. At first, cut kabocha squash and remove skin off as you like. Steam kabocha squash until it's soft. When kabocha is soft, mash it roughly in a bowl while it's hot. Add cream cheese to lightly mix with kabocha. This is kabocha and cream cheese filling. You see how easy it is? There's no seasonings in it. And this is spring roll wrappers. I got it from Japanese store. Mix all-purpose flour with water to create a thick paste and set aside. Place some fillings onto each spring roll wrapper and roll it up. Then seal the ends with the flour mixture. And let's try it again. Repeat it until you run out of fillings. As I said in the beginning, it may be a good idea to make spring rolls a lot at once and keep some in the freezer before they are cooked so that it's much easier next time you eat. Then preheat the air fryer to 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Place the spring rolls in the air fryer basket. Cook to 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. It's done. You can see the surface of spring rolls turn brown. Itadakimasu! The outside is crunchy, the inside is creamy and naturally sweet. But it's not too sweet because the saltiness from cream cheese make a good harmony with sweetness of kabocha squash. Can you believe it? It didn't use any seasonings in the spring roll. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Finally, I put recipe and ingredients here for your later use. Again, thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more cooking videos. See you in the next one. またね